Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to generate the image with Leonardo AI like this. Okay, let's go. Okay, first you have to open Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. Search Leonardo AI. This is the link you want to click. Click on here. Now click on get started. If you already have signed in, you can log in. I have signed in before, because of that I log in now. This is the tab open. You can see there are lots of images that created. Okay, click on image creation. You can type here your prompt you want to generate. After that prompt, you can click on generate and generate your photo. I type cat work in a lorry. Now click on generate. You can see it is generating. Okay, you see there are 4 images. You can see the quality of this image. Okay, this part you can, in here you can change your scale. Select this, you can make images for your smartphone. This is a square size. This is 16 by 9. You can select here more. I select this 2 by 3. See here you can select the number of images you want to generate. Okay, now you want to download this photo. Click on download the image. Now go to this PC, downloads. You can see it is downloaded. Okay, this is how generate images with Leonardo AI. Okay, now I am gonna end my video. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching.